This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Vincent LiBrizzi. Rare secluded and wooded property with scenic views close to historic Waxhaw. Build your dream home or equestrian estate on 15 acres of rolling countryside with a creek, woods, fir trees, and beautiful views. Only a short drive from Highway 521, 26-minute drive to Ballantyne. Equestrians welcome. Lower area near creek is perfect for a summer pasture. Property will not be subdivided, minimum 2,500 square foot home required. For more information, review the details below.